Hola amigos and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now in 2013 when we got a major upgrade in these indicators from 220 to 200 ns, these were very sexy, given the fact that they had these immense cuts and everything and were thinner. But then again, Pulsar never stopped and it came with the RS200. Now that indicator blew my mind. So basically, I wanted those on these. So I went to the service center and asked them for these spare indicators. So they told me that they only had 3 of these. Now having 3 of these is okay, but I needed a 4th one too. So they showed me these. They say that this is RS200 and this is what they use for Dominar. Now I have no idea what's the difference in it except for the packaging, because the stuff is totally same. So I brought 2 of these and 2 of that. Now this comes at a 25 rupees premium and this is actually cheaper, 555 a piece, and this is 575 a piece. So, and I really wanted them, so I didn't really go for the price and everything. So let's just take it out. Yeah, now I understand what's the extra 25 bucks for. The extra packaging, I guess. Now I don't know what they wanted to do, but giving a protective sheath all over the place and just leaving this naked, I don't know what they were planning. So basically I'm going to use these KTM indicators on the front of my bike, in the front end, and these I'm going to be using at the rear end. And then again, one more thing, these things, okay, so I don't know why, but Bajaj indicators are very short in length and KTM's are very large. And look at this. Yeah, whatever, you can always have it placed and everything. So 2 of those and 2 of these, and the tools you're going to require is a star shaped screwdriver here, insulation tape, a pack of seals, and yeah, a 14-15 wrench. You can also use a spanner or as a socket wrench, but I only had this, so I'm going to use this. So first we're going to take off the seat and this mask. Let the mask remain there for now. Let's just take out the seat. Now this is where the indicator wires are held in position. So the green, I don't know how it came out, but still, you're going to disconnect this green and you're going to disconnect this gray. Now these wires here, if you have any questions about them, do let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, I'm sorry, I have mispronounced it, misspelled it, whatever. I have these 2 lights down in the grab rails. They work as indicators for me. I just thought they might look cool. If you need a video on how to place them there, let me know in the comment section below. So after opening the indicators, I would suggest you disconnect this parking bulb too, and take a 12 wrench and go ahead and just take off these nuts right here. Trust me, I've been trying for the last 15 or 20 minutes to install these indicators, KTM indicators, to the tail, and they are one hell of a job. So just to make things easier, I would say that you take out the tail and work. Oh god, the work is a whole lot easier this way. I think I need to spray a little WD-40 on this, but it came off. So now the work is a whole lot easier. All you have to do is take these indicators, plug it in and tighten it up. One. Okay, wrong side. These are tightened. Take these long ones, shove it in. If you have a question about their strength, then do trust me, these things are delicate. They have these chips and these naked wirings here. Normal indicators don't have that. Put it in. Nut it. Where's the 14? Yeah, this is the 14. Then take some insulation tapes and we're going to secure this area. In case you don't want them to be short circuited, right? So I would suggest you do the same too, and if you have a heat gun, just show it on there so it can be a little protected, because these wirings are very delicate and you don't want to have them replaced every now and then, because these things also cost a premium. But given the fact they are so bloody visible, I think they serve the price right. Okay, so you place one side of the indicator here, the other parking light over here. Okay, you're all good to go. Let me just fit it back and come back to you. Okay amigos, the tail has been fixed and it looks somewhat like this. It looks sleek and sexy. So let's just go ahead and give it a test run. Okay, going to connect the wires. The right wire on the right. Okay, I forgot this. My own custom modification of those lights. Connect the parking light to the parking light nail. Again, please don't be confused. As I said, I did not get the right hand side indicator for the rear in the KTM, so I had to buy those, and I'm very less patient when it comes to bikes. I cannot wait. Okay, Hallelujah. Right. Yeah, right blinks. It's hyper blinking. I kind of like this speed. Sorry, this was left, right. I'm sorry. This is right. And this is how it looks. Now, let's go ahead and remove the mask and change the indicators. This is all dealt with. Tools of my trade. Okay guys, I just realized that this thing is not so easy. We're going to have to unscrew these bolts right here, 1 2 3 4, and then after unscrewing this we're going to have to remove this screw right here, and then I think there's a screw inside this too. So let's just go ahead and unscrew these. We're going to need something small first for the visor and then the dash. A lot of cursings, and half an hour later I finally have these two indicators removed out of the headlight. Trust me, if you are an amateur at these kind of stuff, please don't try this at home. Better have these done at a service center near you or your local mechanic, because these things don't come out that easy. Guys, forgive me as I'm exhausted and I don't know if I'll be able to finish this soon. Oh god. Yeah, but then again, nothing comes so easy, does it? Oh god, I'll meet you in a few. So you guys might be wondering why the WD-40, right? It's because these nuts here, where is the indicator? Yeah, these nuts here are a one-time fix. Okay, so these are not well lubricated and this thing is one hell of a job to do. So I would suggest you lubricate this so that the initial points can be done with your hands. Please note, I will only advise these to the people who have experiences in cutting their fingers, doing jobs on their bikes and everything. If you are a noob, I would suggest you find a local mechanic. And the weather is going so damn good. Okay, let me just fight with my indicators and I'll show you. So after a lot of kadi mehnat and a few thunderstorms later I have installed these and they look good. The lightning is shit. It's raining here, so forgive me. I have switched on the flash so that you guys don't have any trouble. So let's just, get these back on track and rush home, because if I don't reach home in a few minutes, my mom is gonna use me in the chicken that she's making tonight. Anyway, jokes apart. I'm pretty sure some people might find this video a little overrated or something, but seriously guys, I personally feel that I should not be doing this on my own, because this is one heck of a job for noobs, and it's doable. It's not that hard. Hard work always pays off. That's what mom always told me. So I tried. If my dad knows, he's gonna kill me anyway. God bless the rain. It has been so hot since the morning. There you go. Plugged it in. All safe and sound. This thing goes here. This thing goes here. All connections stable or shit. I'm just going to screw these up and I'm going to show you the end product. Let's meet in a few minutes. Hello guys, this is basically the next day and this is how I put the indicators right here. Basically started raining yesterday and it was raining cats and dogs, so the lightning condition also went poor and it was hard to actually shoot. So this is basically the next day, and I also have a solution for these hyper flashes. You can bring them back to 1 blink per second and I'll show you how that do. Thank you.